OK Furniture's big brand sale is still on, and you can stand a chance of winning one of 15 Toyota Vitz cars when you buy any participating brands by the 26th of May 2024. This includes Defy, Samsung, Sony, KIC, Hisense, and so much more brands at the lowest prices guaranteed. Shop our latest catalogs online or in store today to win big. Prices valid until the 12th of May 2024. T's and C's apply. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting at iDiskiTimes.co.za. It is Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 5 in the DStv Premiership, and we have a new champion in the DStv Premiership. New champion for this season, of course. They are the same champions for the past 7 years in a row, 7 seasons in a row. In fact, the last team other than Mamelodi Sundowns to win the league no longer exists, and that is Bidvest Verds. And also, in fact, in the last 10 years, I think Sundowns have won the league maybe 8, in the last 11 years, maybe they've won it 9 times. It's always been someone else. 2015 it was Chiefs, and then 2016 Sundowns, 2017 Verds, and then 2018 it's been Sundowns ever since. If you even go back to 2012, it was Chiefs. 2013, I think it was Mamelodi Sundowns, stuff like that. So it's been relentless. So well done to Mamelodi Sundowns, back to champions. And Orlando Mokoena, of course, being the youngest champion, one of the youngest coaches to ever win the league, a black coach doing it in style as well. For Kaizer Chiefs, there is a huge gulf between them and Mamelodi Sundowns, despite the engagement on social media, the number of fans, the fact that they are the most important brand in South African football, the fact that they have the most followers in South African football. If you forget about that, or if you're looking at that, you could be fooled into thinking that they are the champions and they've been the champions for 7 years in a row. However, the reality is that there are 30 points between Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns as we speak. It means Sundowns could afford to not play 10 matches and they would still be on top of Mamelodi Sundowns. Shout out to Utso Vilakazi. If you were watching SuperSport TV today, you would have seen the face of Utso Vilakazi. So, but a loan, but football, a loan deal. So we've loaned to SuperSport. He will come back for the Nedbank Cup this coming weekend at iDiskiTV. Unless they are too happy and then they want to send a permanent transfer. We'll see. Junior Khanye, yeah. 7 league titles in a row for Mamelodi Sundowns, 5-1, a huge statement. I don't even think it feels like it's an NFT team against a top quality DStv Premiership team. The gulf in quality between the Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns. Yes, sir. Justice.
Umapagaza lapha esithuba.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, made us push indoda iscreen kula siyakhona. Ina manje. Maswata tinyanyalo. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. It's a big embarrassment for Kaizer Chiefs. I need to be honest. You know, when you get away with DStv Premiership with some games, you get beaten this week. You draw next week, you can beaten that other week, and then you win 2 games in a row. You're thinking, yes, we're doing something great. You lie to players, to fans. But when you meet these people, Sundowns, it's a blessing in disguise. Sundowns with Champions League. I think it was a matter of mindset. Equality, meaning doubt. This is a reference by you. Going to the game, first half, Sundowns, they were trying to impress the coach, individual players. Yeah. Everybody trying to
score instead of passing.
Yes. I know him, the quality player, but he's not been playing. Lodge is trying to he's trying to impress the coach. Why from Orlando Pirates, but yet Sundowns not much yet. Ribeiro, okay, we know him, but we have carried club first half. He did very well, him alone, but he needed a teammate. So each and every player, it was very difficult. He was selfish, making wrong decisions, rushing, losing the ball cheaply. That was not Sundowns. That's why the game was delayed. But playing any half in a Kaizer Chiefs didn't go to a half in a Mamelodi Sundowns. The whole first half, no shot on target, no creating, not even combination half in a Sundowns. Always playing long ball where I go goalkeeper, not even saving. So Going to second half, I think Rulani coaches players. Yabo, compliment to first front three as Rulani. Ngikhuluma ngo Esquivel, Uthemiko Siloch,
And Repero.
repair as well. Compliment to those players. Change of care. Too many individual brilliance from those three players. And also,
Oh no, Matthews. Sorry, Matthews.
sorry,
Yeah.
Esquivel Bego number 10, playing from the middle. I said 4 players compliment to these players, including Lomchito Matthews. Yes. My man of the match, I've got about 2 men of the match who repair Ronaldo Mfana for me. Now, Leo number 3, yes, ngiyayibala kancane, Leo Esquivel, ukuthi can be a man of the match. Chiefs failed to deal with my pockets. Amagoli Sundowns, 3 goals, mostly pocket nkuleko. Lapse of concentration, Lomchito shy defense splitting pass behind them. Umchita bamgcina menaye la uMatthews abheke bona, the ball watching uphuma lapha kwabo repair put the ball, it was a goal. And also manga check amabhola difficult between the goalkeeper ngoba goalkeeper makaphuma uphambana nalo. Goalkeeper ngeke play game namhlanje bekashaya umfana. Bekashaywa not bebamkora. There's a difference between ukushaya nokora. And Sundowns, what I love, they dominated the game. Not good they score second half and then ngama mistake with Chiefs. They dominated the game. There were a lot of creativity from a side in that because of the combination bands of with they were combining. You will create a chance amaning. So Kaizer Chiefs they failed to deal with that. Even second half Kaizer Chiefs, le penalty babanika yona angisisho nama ngisafuna ukuyibheka ukuthi it's a penalty wathi umntu. Yes, omunye bangajaji mari kaningi, but that's the only thing ebayenzile ngathi kule game ukuthi bathola ipena batholakala eboxini, into engathi isabisile ukuthi umuntu wawe eboxini and then bathola ipenalty. No, ndeta bakaze bafike eboxini le Sundowns khuluma ngasecond half. So I think the red card balimazile as well.
Yeah,
But
it was always going to be difficult. Pelele, the red card made it even worse.
I blame Kevin ukuthi why waiting for Sundowns? Going to Sundowns yadleka. I mean angazi ama team singawatshela kanje. In fact, you sign players enkuleko. You watch Sundowns week in and week out. Unless I'm a player of value, you don't trust them. Going to this game, Kaizer Chiefs no manga bebaphelele. You could see first 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 to go to 20. Chiefs were bebase afini hapo. Allowing Sundowns to build up. Obvious Sundowns ifuna le spaces behind nini. And then allowing them, ipase one bebulala boma 3 players at Chiefs. Because uthi Brisbane abona frustrated kagcinayo makaya badlala la suka khona mabadlala la suka khona uyama lapha is no longer coming back. It's forced good somebody must come. Badlala behind and then it becomes a problem. It just get to Sundowns players, they wanted to impress more. That's why they were losing so many balls. Second half, they would come on the ball. They babuyele back ngendlela like indlela bebadlala ngayo. They didn't complicate things. Not long akuna long ball belikhona. Sundowns short passes lengiyaziyo but effective going forward. When they dribble back the individual brilliant alumchitalo Esquivel individual brilliant bami bola ka right.
That was a brilliant move.
Ball control.
Because it got a line in.
Ball control la.
Line in. So yeah.
And in South Africa, man, when you bring international players, Esquivel is star listeners. Another talent, in fact. I mean, this South American compliment to whoever scouted that player and also Repero. You can tell with the second half about coach and also the game management in terms of passing, ball possession. They came by own. It was like a training session. Second half, Kaizer Chiefs they was chasing shadows. And no answer from them. Because of as a coach, you fag Martin in the middle. You keep on playing week in and week out. For what? What is he bringing? Okay, sharp. He doesn't have a confident. Mart, both him and Mart, they more or less the same. So when you play him in this game, we can be high profile in Gaga. Good midfield, Champions League and week in and week out. They dominate each and every game they are playing. It's just a matter of luck for them. You playing these 2 players in the middle, you create like a committee society. So a coach lose an alapi game. In the middle, you could make a melanga kwenze nje lo. Fana nokuthi adlalisa usayile athathe umodi after adlalise nolo on the right hand side. What you uthi breeze. We understand.
Yeah, it was silent mode to pray up front.
Lumfana lo mntu kwamanye ama game ukuncedi ngimbonile was coming right. Angisho ukuthi umfana but compared to lama player lawo yakhona amanye umntu kulama game uzamile angisho ukuthi naye inconsistent is going but bekumbone kulama game ayi 2 years tried. We are now going to win penalty for Just coach, play him. And then into disappointa ngayo Kevin. Manje bamleader 2-0. And then ukhipha uSayile ufaka ulo emidlile lomthetho ukuthi bangakori another goals.
Oh yeah, those two substitutions, no,
For what?
no, Mashiane, you could tell
So,
he's trying to damage limitations.
I think Kevin is denting his reputation. You can't do this. I mean, they're gonna release him. Yabo, and then ngiyamthanda Kevin, but he deserves it. Mina, I love him, but ivar. He could keep namhlanje amablanda. He deserves it. You can't respect abantu ngale ndlela. Like njenga namhla udliwa 2 coach. If I was gonna ngiyazi une red card. Mau keep your attack after attack, une red card sharp. I'll damage, keep your attack. Funny goal, you chasing a game. You playing FNP is like a home ground to you. I'm a fans are putting numbers. So and nama player Kaizer Chiefs, they need to look at themselves. It's a bit disjointed kakhulu. It's a shame, honestly. The embarrassment, in fact, and you will get along amanye amagame baqabanga ukuthi you coming. La kule class le lalabantu laba. iDiskiTV mfethu is one of the best ever. You need to phuma ku Champions League. Bekuyi mindset. I think bekumele babuyisi it's like a load shedding. So these people bakwelinye level. So Kaizer Chiefs they deserve 5.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Junior. Yeah, well done to Mamelodi Sundowns. Congratulations. This was a statement, 5 goals to 1 for Kaizer Chiefs. And I think sometimes you need a rude awakening every now and then. You can lie to your fans, win one game, over-celebrate it. You need to be brought back down to earth because you still have a lot of things to change. You can't, it's a cosmetic change. You can't take a guy who was training youth development, put him as a head coach, lie to your fans and say, you've made a change. You haven't. Molefe Nseki was not qualified to get that job. Arthur Zwane was not qualified to get that job. You are you. You are Kaizer Chiefs. You are the biggest of all of them. You can't take people who are unqualified for the job. It's a joke. You can't do that. You know. So these are good reminders. Good reminders. Even the fact that there's 30 points between yourselves and Sundowns is a good reminder to say you are nowhere where you need to be. Obviously, in the next game, you'll find a mediocre team. You might win it. People will over-celebrate. And then another game, you'll draw, and then you'll lose. But you're not going anywhere. Well done to Mamelodi Sundowns. 7 league titles in a row. It's not that we were surprised. We were expecting that from the beginning of the season. And we think even next year, you're probably going to win the league. And maybe the year after that as well. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.